In this video, I'll be showing you how you adjust or turn off unwanted notifications from TikTok app. It's simple and easy. To do that, you hop on your profile like this, and then you tap on the hamburger menu you see on top there, top right corner. We move to our settings and privacy. And what we do is on this section, what we are going to do is we scroll and you can see notifications. Just open that. Good. And you can see these are all the notifications you get. Push notifications come from this section on your phone like that. And we have in-app notifications and the rest. You can expand all of them and then edit them. So likes, comments, when someone likes your comment, you see you'll be getting all those type of notifications. So to turn it off, you toggle it off. To turn it on, you toggle it on like that. Very much simple. Now let's go to the bottom. Likes, interactions and all that. You can turn all this on and off. It's up to you. You just read them. What you don't like and you think is distracting you, you turn it off. So that's it on how you manage your notifications on TikTok. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.